I take a load of random photos for no particular reason. Anyways, hi guys, here at Hykeham Station, level crossing, I think Shield Shade and Andrew.
Just wait for 277, 18, 20 plus train service from M9 to Lincoln Central.
There is a few minutes late. I didn't mean to take a load of random photos.
Photos. Janie.
Andrew E.
Hello.
What is it?
It's a nice alarm, that's what it is.
Yeah, but what's the train? The sky!
I wonder what made them
No,
come with
it
this
isn't the
exact
sky.
tune. Any idea?
No.
This tune.
We're now 40 seconds.
Three.
Double threes. We got the double threes.
Looks like a 6 on the corner of it.
Yeah. It does actually. Oh! No.
Could be.
No, it ain't. It's 1533.
355, the old grandpa.
Oh, how's it
It's
the old...
grandpa 355.
How is 355 a grab?
Look at it.
It looks like...
Look at it.
Yeah. 355 and Speedy G.
The old grandpa to Speedy G to Lincoln. In other words, 355 to 379.
There it goes. And that's it.